Crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside. What's the secret to perfect roasted potatoes? Today I'm breaking it all down step by step. Stick around for expert tips. Welcome to Speedy Chef. Today I'm making the ultimate crispy roasted potatoes, covering everything from choosing the right potato to achieving the perfect crunch. Let's get started. Step 1. Choosing the right potato. The best option? Russet potatoes. They're high in starch, perfect for those crispy edges. Alternatively, Yukon Golds are great too, slightly waxy but still fantastic for roasting. Pro tip: avoid red potatoes. They just won't get as crispy. Step 2. Prepping the potatoes. Should you peel or keep the skin? Peeling helps create a crispier crust. When cutting, slice into even-sized chunks for consistent cooking. Soak them in water to remove excess starch, which helps with better crispiness. Step 3. Parboiling for better texture. Start with cold water to ensure even cooking. Don't forget to salt the water. This seasons the potatoes from the inside out. Test for readiness with a knife. It should slide in with slight resistance. Drain and let them steam dry. This step is key for crispiness. Step 4. The perfect roasting technique. Use a cast iron skillet or baking sheet. They retain heat for even browning. The best fats for roasting are ghee, duck fat, or olive oil. High smoke points prevent burning. Preheat the pan so the potatoes start crisping immediately. Roast at 400 degrees Celsius, 200 degrees C, and flip them halfway through for an even golden crust. Step 5. The final touch. Season while hot. This helps the flavors absorb better. The best seasonings: salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and fresh herbs like parsley or chives. Pro tip: a sprinkle of fine salt sticks better than coarse salt. Now you know how to make the crispiest roasted potatoes. What's your favorite way to season them? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more expert cooking tips. Want to master more side dishes? Check out our Speedy Chef playlist for expert techniques and recipes.